Nature's fury, the awesome power of tornadoes. Tornadoes, those monstrous, whirling columns of wind, are a sight to behold, both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Imagine a force of nature so powerful it can rip buildings from their foundations, toss cars around like toys, and leave a trail of devastation in its wake. We've all seen the images on the news, the stories of survival against all odds. But what exactly causes these terrifying twisters? Let's delve into the science behind these natural phenomena. Tornadoes are a dramatic demonstration of the raw power of nature, a stark reminder that we are but visitors in a world governed by forces far greater than ourselves. Understanding these forces is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about respecting the power of the natural world and learning how to live within its sometimes unpredictable bounds. A recipe for disaster. The ingredients of a tornado. Tornadoes don't just appear out of thin air. They require a specific set of atmospheric conditions to form a perfect storm, if you will. First, you need warm, moist air near the ground. This air, laden with moisture, is like a coiled spring full of potential energy. Think of a humid summer day, the air thick and heavy. Then you need a layer of cold, dry air above it. This colder, denser air mass acts as a lid, trapping the warm, moist air below. The contrast in temperature and humidity creates instability in the atmosphere, like a pressure cooker ready to explode. This is where the drama begins. From wind shear to touchdown, the birth of a tornado. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools and condenses, forming thunderclouds. Inside these towering clouds, winds at different altitudes blow at different speeds and directions, a phenomenon known as wind shear. This wind shear creates a spinning column of air, a bit like a figure skater pulling in their arms to spin faster. This spinning column of air, known as a mesocyclone, is the heart of the tornado. As the mesocyclone stretches vertically, it spins faster and faster, drawing more warm air upwards and further fueling its rotation. Eventually, the spinning column of air descends from the cloud base, forming a funnel cloud, a harbinger of the destruction to come. When this funnel cloud touches the ground, a tornado is born. The tornado then acts like a giant vacuum cleaner, sucking up air and debris from the ground, adding to its destructive power. Tornado Alley and beyond, where twisters wreak havoc. While tornadoes can occur in many parts of the world, they're most common in the United States, particularly in an area known as Tornado Alley. This region, stretching from Texas to Nebraska, has the perfect combination of warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cold, dry air from the Rocky Mountains, creating a breeding ground for tornadoes. But tornadoes are not confined to this region. They can occur anywhere the atmospheric conditions are right, a reminder that nature's fury knows no boundaries.